Hi, and welcome to another edition of Immigration Nation. My name is Nicole Whitaker. I'm the principal immigration attorney at Whitaker Legal, and today I'm answering the question from a follower. She says, "My husband abused me, he mistreated me, he cheated on me. What's going to happen to my immigration status?" So, I see this question a lot where people are married to US citizens and green card holders, but they're in toxic relationships, bad relationships. The relationship isn't working out. So there's absolutely something you can do if you're in a relationship with a US citizen or green card holding husband or wife, and your a spouse tries to control you. Maybe they try to control you emotionally, financially. Maybe they try to control who you're talking to, who you spend your time with, whether you can have a job or what hours you work. Maybe they cause problems for you at your work or your school. Um, Perhaps they are mistreating you physically, sexually. If you're in a situation like this, you don't have to feel trapped by your immigration status. First of all, if your spouse has not already filed a petition for you to get legal status, you may be eligible to file on your own without your spouse's help. Or if you already have a green card, um, or you've filed the petition and you have the 2 year green card, you have your conditional residence, but not your permanent residence yet. There's also a way that you can file on your own without your spouse signing the papers. You don't have to rely on your spouse if you're in an abusive, a toxic, a controlling relationship. Um, the other thing you should know is if you have the 2 year green card, generally, if you're going to file with your spouse, you have to wait until the last 3 months that your green card is valid in order to file the I-751 to remove the conditions of residence and get your permanent green card. But if you're filing with a waiver of the joint filing requirements, you're filing on your own with just your signature and not your spouse's, you don't have to wait for the last 3 months of your green card's validity. You can file now, whether you're filing based on the fact that your relationship is toxic, abusive, controlling, or whether you've gotten a divorce from your spouse, you can file now. You don't have to wait for the last 3 months, or in other words, you don't have to wait until 3 months before your green card is set to expire. So, if you are in a situation where you are married to a US citizen or green card holder and you feel stuck in a relationship because of your immigration status, please don't feel that way. There may be a way we can help you, whether you have your green card or even if you don't have your green card yet. There may be a way that you can fix your immigration status, whether you're married to and living with your spouse, whether you're married to but separated from your spouse, or even if you've divorced your spouse within the past 2 years, give us a call, 410 207 9277.